Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
I should not have gone to the extent, or perhaps asked one of our public secretary to issue a statement. But enough is enough in this country. When these people make such reckless and irresponsible statements, no federal government agents or even the security agents take action. I saw one wishy statement made by the law enforcement agent in Delta after this statement had been made. What did they say? They're appealing to Delta people to be calm and that they will be able to take care, bring peace, protect them. Who are these Fulani materials who have the impunity to say they will go to the Delta, Niger Delta, and give Vin 72 hours notice? It is unheard of. Enough is enough, as I said. I should not have made this statement, as I have said. Only recently, in fact, Thursday last week, we met, as I said, in Transcorp building under the chairmanship of the former president of Nigeria, President Olusegun Obasanjo. The meeting was attended by first-class traditional rulers like the Sultan of Sokoto, the Oni of Ife, the Short Chief, Chief Justice of Nigeria. 4 of them attended, or 3 or 4 of them attended. And many responsible Nigerians attended that meeting. We sat for 9 hours. I'm 94. Without moving from my seat, 9 hours, discussing the affairs of Nigeria, how to move Nigeria forward. And a group of people, irresponsible men, threatening us, and the president and his agents, particularly Chio Garuba and others, they kept quiet as if they don't know what is going on. But when IPOB makes statement, they will jump on it. We can no longer continue in a country where some people regard themselves as superior to the others. The other day I listened to one of my friends in Northern Elders Forum that the Northerners, that the Easterners are not speaking, the Elders are not speaking. It means that they support IPOB. Are they speaking in the North against what is going on? They are not. So what right have they to challenge other people? The impression given that if they said that Asaba and Agbor will be turned into another Kaduna, Katsina, Northeast, it means that they are aware of the happenings in the North, which is deliberate as the impression they've now given.
To get in touch with the Mieti Allah in
Nonsense.
that area.
Who are they for me to get in contact with?
No, I'm talking of the state government, because the
Which
police
state government?
was very clear.
Listen, which state government? Which northern governor has got in contact with IPOB? Answer me now. Which northern governor, or even Mr. President, has contact for discussion? Are they special people? No.
So you don't suspect that some people are trying to take political advantage?
Let the people who said they issued the statement deny. Let them issue a statement that we are not the maker And that's the answer.
But there was no name and it wasn't signed.
How many statements have IPOB signed? What are you talking? Or how many statements that this man from Ibadan, who said they want secession, how many statements had he signed? No, please, we don't want double standard in this country. Some of us have served this country, even when those who are ruling this country were in school or were just entering the army. What are we talking about? And you depressed people. I was watching, I phoned one man the other day, and I told him, I said, the way you interviewed the leader of SYMFONI, what's wrong? Why do you invite him if you will not allow him to speak? That's what you press are doing. There's some sacred cows in this country. No. We're all equal. So you have a duty to defend your country. Look at how this American press, CNN, stood and criticized the president of America, Trump. Did Trump take them to court? Did he arrest them? You said you are talking about democracy in Nigeria. So you are celebrating democracy, June 12th, in honor of late MKO Abiola. Yet, those who should enjoy that freedom, either they want to demonstrate in favor of MKO Abiola or demonstrate against a government that is not democratic. You stop them from demonstrating. Then you share money to some people who were fighting in the street that they are demonstrating in support of the government. Is that the Nigeria we want? As I told you, we have been all part of this government. And as I told them at that meeting, which was chaired by Obasanjo, I said, sometimes you blow your own trumpet. I asked him, Mr. Chairman, President Obasanjo, was I not your colleague in government? He said, yes. Was Modira not my colleague in government? He said, yes. Was Shagari not my colleague in government? He said, yes. 3 of you became head of state and president of Nigeria. Is it because it became that I have contributed nothing to Nigeria? Please, don't provoke us.